Hey everyone, today's video is all about travel hacks and tips for packing. Use packing cubes to compress and organize clothes or other items. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space. For smaller items, you can roll or fold to keep things organized. For pants or any bottoms, roll and pack with tops in one packing cube. Best way to pack your hat is to roll your clothing items and stuff it inside. Use a dryer sheet to keep your clothes smelling fresh and reduce static. Pack your shoes in any plastic item to keep things clean. Roll your socks and pack them inside the shoes. Use a clear bag for transparency. Instead of bringing full-size products, pack them in travel containers. Use a binder clip to keep your razor secured. Cover the shampoo and conditioner with plastic to avoid any spills. Pack your jewelry in a towel and roll it to keep it tangled free. Keep your charging cords in a container to keep things organized. Take photos of your documents and email to save a copy.